Today marks the finale of the off-grid Sprinter van build. To get everyone up to speed, this is Leenda, our assistant. Last year, Leenda decided to buy a $500 RV and give us a tour of the new life she chose. She gave up her apartment and decided to live in an RV. And when she gave us the tour, it looked like, well, a $500 RV would, which is generally Great Depression living conditions, complete with a non-working bathroom and food in the fridge from when she bought the van 2 years ago. So we did what anyone that gave up their life to live in a $500 RV would do. We made fun of them. We made her a toilet out of a cat litter bucket and got her some fancy folded toilet paper and sent her on her way. Well, the second she left and we posted the video, suddenly we reverted back to the 8th century because of all the white knights that came out of the woodwork saying we should have never let an innocent woman on the road by herself, even though it's her choice. Well, she made it a few hundred miles when a deer was so sick of looking at the RV, it ran directly into it. And guess what? While she was waiting at the side of the road for the tow truck, she used the bucket. You're welcome. Because one of our own was down bad, we said, okay, let's build something that she can use. So we decided to build a tiny home on wheels out of an old FedEx van. We went to an auction website called IAAI and bid on a Mercedes Sprinter van that ended up selling to us for $7,000. On a side note, if you want to get cars at auction for a lower price, go to IAAI.com and use code SAFE50 for half off registration. And that's where we actually got the RS7 i8 and my old Tesla. Yes, there's a bunch of other cool stuff on the channel. If you like weird, awkward, cringy humor and friends having fun together, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more antiques. So we bought the van and got to work. First, we removed all the interior pieces, including the shelving and partition. People didn't like us removing the partition because they said it would be better left for retaining heat and privacy. Then I asked who wanted the partition after we removed it. Then I asked who's built a Sprinter van. And then I asked which one lives in the van currently. And then I encourage everyone to leave the partition when they build their own. Next, we found what's common in all Sprinter vans, rust. Brian was able to fix it with some sheet metal we got from Home Depot, and then we installed a ceiling fan as well as sound deadening. After that, we installed the lamb's wool insulation, solar panels, and a fancy light bar. Then we put up the walls and started cutting the holes in the sides of the van, exterior of the van, so you can watch her 24/7 and see if she's in trouble or not. Then we tested our stove, installed the new fancy lights, and Leenda gave us an insight as to what she wanted in the van, which consisted of a tanning bed, gym, and a full-size 4-burner stove. Next, we installed the radio and screens to manage the cameras, installed the diesel heater, and started building the box for the lithium batteries and solar storage. In the last 2 episodes, we gave her the Log Chopper 3000, fired up the solar in the van to test it, installed the front bumper guard, bed, and finished all the cabinets. Today, we're going to do the final reveal of the van and see how Leenda likes it. Damn good. However, there's some finishing touches that it needs. I have to add the Rich Rebuilds flair. All right, you ready for this?
That's fair, that's fair.
So for Leenda, because, see, that's the thing. When I was at the store and I thought to myself, what would Leenda like? She seems like the kind of person that would enjoy mason jars. She could put like pepper in here or whatever. Whatever people like Leenda use for mason jars, I will put them here. So she could fill them with whatever spices, or whatever exotic rubs that she uses. Every home, you have to have an announcement board. And this is a reminder to live, laugh, and love. Come on in. Oh, you know what? Come on in. Come in and gather up. But the 4 wasn't on sale. The 2 was on sale. So I got it. But it's nice. It's stainless steel. It matches all the stainless steel things we have in here. Nope. All 0 of them. Oh, you know, but no. See, no. The mason jar. Oh, wait. No, there's more. It's L for leenda. It was a nice little stuff. He represents leenda very well. Very average. Be good. So we could put it, you know, wherever the cups go, and we'll put it right here maybe next to the vanilla bean and amber. I should take this back too. This was $6. I've been secretly preparing for almost a year during quarantine for this inevitable hiking adventure, and I definitely shouldn't be swimming due to the whole 30-minute rule. But Noom has been awesome at keeping my ADHD on track for a healthy, better me. So much that I actually reached out to them to sponsor us here so we can share the program with you. I've been slipping on my own well. I love their tips and goal charting along with the food color coding system and recipes to keep me on track when I need to prepare for actual work or adventures. It's technology and real coaches to tailor a goal specific for you. Check out Noom in the description box below. It's good to be here. It really is. Oh boy.
What's up?
Here it goes.
Wow.
It's a long way from home. Yeah, here we go again.
Are you gonna let me in?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Well, this is it. See? This is the van. Wait for the grand tour. This is the sink. This is a little wash basin where you could brush your teeth and wash dishes.
Okay.
This is your toaster. You want this 2-burner toaster. I know you wanted 4. But
Yeah, why don't I have a 4?
because the 4 been too wide. It's all about minimalism, minimalistic.
But you
Take up
could've
as least
just-
space as possible.
You could have put it here.
You also look at this. It's a mug for you. Has an L for leenda on it. All right. Mason jars just for you. Live, laugh, love.
Live, laugh, lose.
It feels good to be home. Look at all
Lube.
this cool stuff. Look at this. Candles for you. Look at this. A salt lick. Huh? Try it. This was on clearance. It broke, unfortunately, but you know, you could still enjoy it. See? Try it.
A
It's good.
salt lick?
Isn't that what you do? That's the whole point.
Richard.
Right? Well, whatever. Under here, you have your hot water heater.
Okay.
Okay. In the middle, you have some storage. Cool, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. In case you want to weigh your stuff. There's a little scale
Weigh
here.
myself?
Weigh some of your stuff.
My stuff.
Yeah, like just, I don't know, some food or like pepper or I don't know what you would weigh, but got the scale in there, right?
Okay.
Okay. In here, you have your utensils. See, not bad, huh? And then
More candles.
More candles.
Okay, great, but where's my gym? Hey, I didn't ask for a guitar. I asked for a gym.
Well, you could use a guitar to do this.
So that, okay.
And like your fingers and stuff. The back doors, you open it right here. Stick your hand right in here. There you go. Yep, open it. Yeah, there you go, huh?
Look at that.
Look at that
Nature.
view. Look at that view. It's a bonus feature. See?
Nice.
Home is wherever you
Oh,
park it.
I see the camera.
Yeah. So the camera is for safety, just in case you're showering.
Over the shower?
Yeah, so when you're going to shower right here, this is your nozzle.
Yeah.
Right, go ahead. No, come here, come here. So you hold it right here. Yeah, jump down. Your nozzle. Right, you hold it right here and you shower. And then right here, just in case, we have a camera there and there to make sure you're safe. Look, we're out in the woods right
I'm
now.
not gonna like downplay that, but this looks absolutely nothing like the detailed drawing I gave you guys. Like where there's no gym. I don't even have a mirror.
Yeah, we could work
There's
out.
no tanning, like the tanning bed. I didn't even get my toaster.
You could work out anywhere in this van. Anywhere. You can move this table, modular, and you could move it. You could do lower corner on the right-hand side underneath that orange pillow that we got for you. There's a 35-gallon water tank there. So that's your water supply. When you're on the road, you have 35 gallons of water. And there's also a wastewater tank below the van, so you have to keep in mind to keep that emptied, as you should.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. My toilet.
I'm glad you asked.
I'm glad you asked.
I know that I have a toilet.
You do.
Okay. Where is it back
Should
here?
we tell her about the log chopper 3000?
The what?
The log chopper 3000. Ready? Look at this.
Yeah.
You sit on this, ready?
Uh-huh.
You put the logs in there, and you chop them like that, and they go down. This is your water pump. It'll spray it, make sure it's down there. See? Pump the water, it's all gone. Try it.
You want me to sit?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's a throne. What do you think?
Like a glove. It's perfect.
Surprisingly enough, I actually don't mind this, but the log chopper.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why you're calling it that, but
Well, that's what it does.
You call it the log chopper 3000? Is that what you said?
Why wouldn't I call it that? That's what it does.
That's disgusting, Richard.
She hates the truth. It's fine.
So Rich and Steven just showed me the van. There you go. And you guys, it looks absolutely nothing like the drawing, first of all, but this is actually kind of nice. I like that. No gym, no tanning bed, literally not even any mirrors, so...
We still have almost full batteries. That's how powerful the solar system and battery setup is in here. And we didn't really tell Leenda any of this yet, but these are your controls for your heater. There's a heater in here, and we're gonna show you what that heater can do a little bit later on. Okay? Yeah, big deal. Lights dimming. Ready for this?
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's actually really sweet.
Oh. There you go.
Very nice. Very nice. Lean to
And
lights.
that turns the inverter on and off.
Okay.
And that's the status of the solar system. Like right now, it's nighttime. See the moon?
Mm-hmm.
During the day, it has the stars and how many
You have
volts
really
and amps are
oily
going through.
fingers. You might not
I really do. I just changed the power.
Okay.
Look at that. One press. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Tell me that isn't a flex. Woo-wee.
Honestly, this is fire.
Woo-wee. Look at this. Now you can eat like a human. Look at this. You can be eating at a regular height, you know?
What else was I supposed to eat like?
I mean, some people eat low and like they have to suffer in silence way down low, but this is the way to do it.
Not today.
You pumped or what?
Yeah.
Let's have a meal.
Let's eat.
Oh,
That's the sound of the police.
Oh, whoa. Hey, guys.
hi.
How's it going?
Hello.
This is not what I expected in any way, shape, or
Yeah,
form.
no,
Not bad in here, right?
It's pretty nice.
Decent in here. We didn't think, did someone like call you? Like, are we disturbing someone? Someone call you or
I
something?
drove by, saw a blacked out van and an abandoned parking lot. It's kind of what I do.
That'll do it. That'll
so
do it.
just thought I'd check, but
Yeah.
you guys look legit.
Yeah, we're not.
There's no needles in here. We're
No,
safe.
No needles?
nothing-
Okay, that's
yeah.
the idea. That's
Yeah,
my
nothing
next
illegal.
question.
No
Yeah,
free candy.
Yeah,
No
nice job
smoking
going
the reefer, right?
No.
No, no.
Is that legal or illegal?
Not in New Hampshire currently.
Really?
I mean, it's decriminalized unless you have a medical marijuana card.
Right.
You can
All right.
just
So-
don't grow it.
So if I was like smoking, I was like, oh, I forgot my card. Totally. Would you call me?
Totally.
Yeah, I totally forgot my card.
Totally forgot.
Yeah.
like,
Oh, what an idiot.
Yeah. It's the fourth time this week. So what would happen then? Would it just be like a hey, why don't you get out of here type of thing, or like?
I mean, yeah, we all handle it differently.
Okay, I gotcha. All right.
It just depends on the interaction, probably how much you have on you.
Right. So if you open this drawer and there's like 75 pounds of
I
it,
mean,
you're like,
you and I are probably going to be.
You're gonna have to go with her.
yeah.
Hey, sir, you're gonna have a ride.
Yeah.
I've got a really nice, comfortable plastic seat in the back of my
Yeah.
cruiser
Oh,
for you, sir.
no. Do you guys have the Explorers for police cars now?
I do.
Okay.
Actually, they're starting to be rotated out, so they're
What-
starting
for
to
what,
go more
Chargers?
toward Chargers. Yeah.
Really? Back to the cars now, to the SUVs?
Yeah.
Why?
Boom, boom.
Vroom, vroom. They're not doing Teslas up here. That's the problem.
Yes,
Well,
no
well-
Teslas.
Yeah.
Well,
really?
unless you're where is that? I saw it on WMUR the other day that someone donated a Tesla.
Yeah.
I forget where that was though. Was it over in Wolf?
It was Wolfboro.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
did a Tesla. So.
So someone just donated a Tesla to the police force?
Yeah.
And said,
Yeah.
here you go.
It's
Yeah.
it's,
What's it like there?
it's wealthy New England for you.
What's the average income? Yeah, what's the average income of a
Wait a
place over
minute.
They
there?
are in Ashland. It's very different.
Yeah, no, because like there's like 4 of you guys up here. All right, well,
There's like
yeah, there's like cool people up
yeah.
here.
All right.
No, but all right, yeah, we're cool. We're not, she's-
All right. Well, you guys don't seem to be doing anything nefarious.
No, not at all.
Just ice cream. Just
No, we're
just having some ice cream and some stroop waffles.
Hey, you know what? Actually, she's just so nice. You got this.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks.
Yeah.
You're not gonna poison me or anything,
Nope.
right?
Nope.
Oh, it's got bourbon in it. Can't have it on.
Yeah, have it later.
Yeah.
Tell us how you like it.
All right.
Until you're off the clock. Safety first.
All right. Well, okay.
It's a sub. She was drinking on the job. She was drinking on the job. We got
We got it. What's your badge number? What's your
We got
badge
it, we
number?
got it.
We're gonna take it. She's like, joke's on you. We're all friends.
All right, guys.
Awesome.
Cool.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, nice.
Awesome. As my therapist would say, boy, is a lot to unpack here. Let's start with the last scene. It's not every day a police officer approaches a murdered out van at 11:30 at night and opens the door to see a white woman laying on a bed with a black guy standing up and a guy with a mullet filming the whole thing. But we gave her a stroop off my wallet. All came together for Leenda, who was in need of a free shower and some food. We in fact tried our best. We had her safety and design in mind. We even have a camera in the shower area because 19,000 people die every year in the shower. Look it up, sweetie. How would you feel if something happened and you couldn't watch and then call the authorities? Speaking of that, this is your first time here. The tech details of the solar setup. It has over 1,000 watts of solar powered by 2 Rely-on batteries. There's enough storage in the van to power everything for a long time without sun. When the sun does come out, it charges very quickly. There's ample storage underneath the cabinets. Both of the seats in the front swivel to create a more open and inviting space, and there's storage for the beds, blankets, towels, and pillows over the front seats. There's storage underneath the couch benches for all your clothes, and that fancy rising table in the middle, it's removable, and there's storage in it. Yes, you can put the table outside, enjoy a picnic, and then you have room in the van for whatever else you would do in a van. There's also storage in the secondary ottoman for even more stuff. There's a hot water heater, a 35-gallon water tank, as well as a diesel heater under the passenger seat that can bring the temperature of the van on a cold night to over 90 degrees. Yes, I know it already looks like a sauna, but we could literally make it into a sauna. It's completely sound deadened. When everything is closed, it sounds like a recording studio. The insulation is lamb's wool, which is completely organic and mold resistant. I really like this van. Its purpose was to be completely modular, and if we needed more space, there's still 2 walls worth of room to build additional cabinets if need be. Some may say it needs windows, but that would take away from the storage space. But again, you're free to build your van with as many windows as your heart desires. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at RichieBKid for more crazy antics, and I will see you all next Sunday.